Hello everyone. In Microsoft Word, when your document got prepared, so at the last page, you add the cover page or title page to the document. So how can you apply that page? Go to Insert tab. Here is the option Cover Page. Now you can see different varieties of cover pages. So I am going to select this one. This is the cover page applied to my document. Now if I want this area in the center of the page, so just click it, go to the format, go to position and select this option. Same is the case with this one. Now you can drag it to the top of the page. This is the text box, I don't need it. Take it to the center of the page. Now give the title of your cover page, book of chemistry. In the subtitle I am providing 10th class. I don't need this one, delete it. Bring it to the center of the page. So in this way you can apply the cover page to your document. Now if I want the background color of this cover page should be changed, so go to the format. In shape fill you can apply different color, like I am applying this one. Select this one. Now I am applying this color. So at the bottom of the cover page, now you can see there are two blank pages. So if you don't want these blank pages, so just click at the bottom of the blank page. Now continuously click backspace key. Now you can see your two blank pages are deleted. If you want to recover them again, so just click it and go to insert and add the blank page at the bottom of the cover page. So this is my video regarding the cover page. If you find this video useful, like this video and hit the subscribe button to get more useful videos in the future.